Hi, we are BS Engineering and providing advanced systems engineering solutions and consultancy for aerospace and defense industries. Aerospace industry demands highly precise and reliable sensor solutions that meet aviation standards. Our product is multi-channel LVDT and RVDT measurement modules designed for these exact needs. It offers high accuracy, high reliability, low integration costs, less complexity. Unlike many commercial solutions, our system is fully customizable, scalable, lightweight, and developed with the compliance to aviation standards. We target aerospace manufacturers, defense contractors, government programs, and aiming to become trusted supplier and a partner both locally and globally. Our team brings deep technical knowledge and expertise and strong network. Thank you for your interest in BS Engineering. We look forward to collaborating with you.